So I made a huge mistake by keeping my EV6 tailgate open, and you're about to see what's gonna happen. And that's what happened. I drove my 2022 Kia EV6 tailgate into the garage door and damaged the LED tail light. So, and this is gonna cost me about almost $1,200 in parts. Lucky for me, I was able to find a used part off eBay, and that part should be coming soon. So please watch the entire video because there might be some key part that you might be missing. So I'll encourage you to watch the entire video. So see you in the videos and how I'm gonna fix it. Well, I did it. I broke the tail light. I opened up the trunk while trying to move forward a little bit for my wife to put stuff in the car, and the trunk hit the garage door and it broke. So man, this is not good at all. Man, I'm about to drop a couple of so I decided to call the dealership and see if I can order the part myself, and the part is gonna cost me almost $1,100 to $1,200 for just this piece right here, this center tail light. I don't know. I might have to go through. I don't want to go through the insurance. I mean, well, actually, this is not like I hit another person's car, so they might not penalize me, and I'm a safe driver. So, man. Yeah, so that's just a part alone. So labor might cost, I don't know, between $300 to $600. So I might have to go on eBay and get me a used one, or one that just came off a car that was totaled. I saw a couple of them, maybe two or three. They're kind of reasonable, but I'll see. But yeah, I just broke my car tail light. That suck. It suck. Oh man. Yeah. I will try and see. Maybe I can maybe just to fix it, temporarily fix it, so I won't get harassed by police and stuff for broken tail light. So I might have to use some glue to glue it up and stuff, and see whatever I can do to fix it temporarily till I figure out what I'm going to do. So yeah, but just to put this out there, it's like, yeah, I just had to record this. I probably will be putting it myself. Hey, this is probably the best way to do it. Get another part and put it in myself, so to save some money. If you know you can do this by yourself, go ahead and do it. If not, just take it to the dealer or third party shop to put it in for you to save some money. But yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is to recording this the process of fixing this, so that you guys can understand and see what it is going to be. So yeah, just putting that out there. Yeah, whenever you have the tail light open, don't do something stupid like I did, especially when someone is trying to rush you, and that's what happened. This doesn't go well when you're rushing, and I'm not the kind of person that like to rush, but when someone's trying to rush you, things get to go the other way. So, but anyway, yeah, all right. I will be back with update on the part. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also the notification bell. The notification bell will notify you every time I post a new video, and the like button will recommend my channel to new viewers and potential subscribers. So please hit the likes up. Thank you for all your likes, and to all my new subscribers and to all my subscribers that started with me at the beginning, thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Please continue to hit the like button, okay? It is really helpful, and it is recommending my channel a lot. I really appreciate that, okay? So I will be posting more videos about this, and and let y'all know how things been going. Okay. All right. I'll be back with more update. All right. Just to add to this, so I was able to go on eBay, and I was able to find this used center rear. So I was able to find this on eBay, and the asking price was $450 plus $50 shipping, which makes a total of $500. That is a little bit less than half of what the dealership was asking me for. Looking at the picture, it looks in a good condition, no cracks or nothing. I believe it came off of probably an accident car. I'm assuming that. So, but I was able to get eBay offer for $400 plus $50 shipping. I think I'll go for it because I can't lowball more lesser than that. The guy already dropped $50 off, and I think I will go for it. All right, so this is another update that I'm adding to this, and this is coming from California. So I will be, and there was another one that was selling for like let me see, where is that one? Yeah, $630. Yeah, that one was selling for $630. And there's another one that is selling for $510. Actually, the $630 one plus $60 shipping, and the third one, $510, pretty much $511 plus $55 shipping. So, yeah, that's really expensive. So just let you know, yeah, you might have to, if you don't want to go through the insurance. I don't want to go through my insurance because either way, I would be paying. If I decide to go through insurance, I'll be paying more than $450. That's for sure. Because my deductible is $500. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this, and I will do the installation myself so that you guys can enjoy the video and see how I go about it, because this will be my first time tearing this car open. Okay. So, all right. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.